Hello everybody and thank you so much for watching again. Today's episode, Bandwidth have asked me to review the FLYSKY FS-GT3C 3-channel radio that you can easily upgrade to an 8-channel radio and have the most bang for your buck. It only does require to flash the radio. That can be a little bit scary for some people, but for that reason there are a lot of people that are selling the upgraded version with all the mods on Bandwidth. All the links you will be finding of course down below, and they have all the mods done for you under warranty. That's the best thing of it. I want to go over all the pros and cons of this radio. And pro number 1 is that you have a really nice looking LCD screen with a nice blue backlight. Number 2 is that you can store 10 models in a memory. And number 3 is having the voltage display showing the voltage of your 800 mAh lithium battery. That is so much better than 8 AA batteries, and you can charge the battery using a simple micro USB to USB connection. Another pro of this radio is having the scroller and being a button at the same time, so you can go through all the channels in the menu, having as first the model, then you can change the name, then you can reverse the servo, change the endpoints, then you also got ABS, then exponential, dual rates and trim. And number 5 is that the receivers are very small and they are very affordable. And number 6, you get a good sized radio that fits really good in my hands, with a good button layout except for one button, and that's the power on and off button that tends to give some issues after 1 year of abuse. And that was the only con that we were able to find on this beautiful and excellent radio that we now can use to improve our Wltoys K99 RC drift car, our Wltoys 24438 4-wheel steering crawler, and the Wltoys 34228 off-road buggy. Hope you all like this video and give the thumbs up, because we can really use your support, and hope you subscribe for the upcoming episode where we're going to show you the best way of setting up the FLYSKY GT3C for your RC cars or boats. And I want to thank you all for watching and goodbye. Hope to see you next time.